Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. Products for happiness, top natural antidepressants. Naturally. A change in diet can lead to a change in metabolic activity and brain processes, which ultimately will change the energy level and mood. Food can positively influence your mood, maintaining a sufficient energy level in 3 ways. Providing the optimum number of calories. Optimizing metabolic processes to burn calories more efficiently. Tea and coffee contain caffeine and can temporarily stimulate an increase in energy and improve brain function. The best products for a good mood are those that do not cause a jump in blood sugar, and those who produce the brain produce more substances responsible for the mood, for example, hormones of happiness, serotonin, endorphin and dopamine. To increase energy levels and improve mood, complex carbohydrates, whole grains, beans, vegetables, fruits, berries, are needed. They are useful for the whole organism as sources of energy. In addition, they increase the level of serotonin, but at the same time, unlike simple carbohydrates, they are absorbed more slowly and do not force you to jump in the blood. Avoid simple carbohydrates and sweets that cause rapid changes in blood sugar, which can make you feel sleepy, sad and constantly craving for food. In addition, products containing omega-3 fatty acids help to produce serotonin. Avocados, broccoli, walnuts, flax seeds, oils from olive oil and flax seed. Peanuts, almonds, soy products are balanced sources of protein, including amino acid tyrosine. It is the precursor of dopamine and norepinephrine, the brain substances that help us stay more focused and attentive. Vitamin B12 is very important, because it helps our body to fight fatigue and bad mood. It is found in algae and blue-green algae, tofu and miso sauce. In addition to regulating nutrition, there is another proven way to stay toned and maintain the health of your spirits. Endorphins are produced during sleep and exercise. Even a 15-minute walk can increase your energy. Regular physical exercises help to combat bad mood. They cause physiological changes, create muscles that require more energy, which in turn activates metabolic processes, and you feel more energetic during the day. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.